Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 6.6, which is the good. Room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is fine and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surrounding. Check-in time in this property is 3 p.m. and checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comment. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.